Hey everybody, this is John Skiba with the Arizona Consumer Law Group, and in today's video I wanted to touch on a question that I get quite a bit from my clients where we represent them against junk debt buyers like Portfolio Recovery, Midland Funding, those guys. And the question is, can I recover the attorney's fees that I'm paying you to defend me in this case if we win? And the answer is usually, and let me explain exactly why I say that. In Arizona, there is a statute that says if a lawsuit is based upon a contract, whether it's a written agreement, an oral agreement, if there's essentially some kind of underlying contract, then the prevailing party in the litigation is entitled to receive their attorney's fees and court costs that they paid out. So if you go through the whole process, if you go to trial and then you win your case, you can submit an application for attorney's fees to have the other side reimburse you for the legal fees that you had to pay someone like me who's been defending you. On top of that, you can ask to get the court costs back. In every court in Arizona, when you file an answer or a response to the lawsuit, you're required to pay a filing fee with the court. That can range anywhere from $60 with the justice courts all the way to over $200 in the Maricopa County Superior Court. Now, the one little caveat I tell you is that the court has some ability to determine if what the fee that you're asking for is reasonable. And so the court can either grant the request for attorney's fees, they can deny the request for attorney's fees, or they can reduce the request if they think that what you're asking for is too high. So the overall answer is yes. If you're being sued by a junk debt buyer like Midland, Portfolio Recovery, Cavalry, any of these people, and you prevail in your court case, then you can seek to recover your attorney's fees. And I can tell you in most cases the court does grant that. Now, one thing to understand about this, in order for this provision, and in the statute that I'm referring to is A.R.S. 12-341 and A.R.S. 12-341.01. Those two statutes give the courts power to require them to pay for your legal fees. Now, it requires that the case be resolved on its merits. So the only way you're going to get that is if you go to trial and win, judgment's entered in your favor, or if you file a motion for summary judgment and judgment is entered in your favor. This provision does not apply if you're trying to settle the debt. If you agree to pay less than what they're seeking just to get the debt resolved, it does not apply there. The court will not require them to pay your legal fees, and it's highly unlikely that they're going to agree to pay your legal fees. So I hope that helps as far as answering the question of whether you can recover your legal fees if you fight back against the junk debt buyers and win. If you want to learn more about fighting back on junk debt buyer cases, you can head over to my website at consumerwarrior.com. That's consumerwarrior.com, where we have templates, videos, and a bunch of other articles that can help you to fight back. Thanks for watching.